Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing the AF4013 error on your Foxtel service. This error can be frustrating, but with our step-by-step instructions, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Let's dive in. Mana, Step 1. Restart your Foxtel box. 1. Power off. Locate the power button on your Foxtel box and turn it off. Alternatively, you can unplug it directly from the power outlet. 2. Wait. Allow the device to remain off for at least 30 seconds. 3. Power on. Turn the box back on and wait for it to fully boot up. This may take a couple of minutes. Step 2. Check your connections. 1. Inspect cables. Ensure that all cables connected to the Foxtel box, TV, and wall are securely plugged in. Check for any visible damage to cables. 2. HDMI connection. If you are using an HDMI cable, try reseating both ends or using a different HDMI port on your TV. 3. Power supply. Ensure your power supply is functioning correctly. Plug another device into the outlet to check. Step 3. Update your Foxtel software. 1. Access settings. Press the Home button on your remote, navigate to the Settings option and select it. 2. Software update. Look for a Software update or System update option and select it. Follow prompts to download any available updates. Step 4. Check your internet connection. 1. Network status. Go to Settings on your Foxtel box. Under Network Status, confirm that the device is connected to your internet. 2. Restart router. If you suspect a connection issue, restart your router by powering it off, waiting for 30 seconds, and turning it back on. 3. Connect directly. If possible, connect your Foxtel box directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Step 5. Clear the cache. 1. Access settings. Go back to the Settings menu. 2. Clear cache. Under the Storage or Device Preferences menu, look for an option to clear cache and select it. Step 6. Perform a factory reset, last resort. 1. Backup important data. Before performing a factory reset, ensure any important recordings or settings are backed up, as this will erase all data. 2. Factory reset. Navigate to Settings, look for the System option, and select Factory Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the reset. If you have followed all the steps and the error persists, it may be time to contact Foxtel customer support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Thank you for watching.